How to create a Discord server? Simply open your Discord. Okay, alright. Then you can get this interface. Press on to plus option and get create your server option. To create my own game, school club, study group, friend, like I'm select create my own for me and my friend, for a club or community. Select on, write server name, add photo, press on apply. Press on to create server. Okay, as you can see, I'm recently create server and get link. If you want to share, press on to copy link and share link. Share using WhatsApp, mail, airdrop, note, Facebook, WhatsApp, Gmail, Chrome, using anyone. Okay, press on done. And now successfully create my server. Press on. And if you want to easily add more option, customize from here to settings, to channel general, to category, text channel or voice channel, channel permission, no rules, to edit everyone, done. Okay, and customize anything from here. And now I'm recently create this server. That's it.